It's more fun than after 2012 because we have the biggest, best, and brightest stars dito. Amazing performance singers. And syempre, I'm in ASA 2012. So, I mean, that's a given. Pero no, we're like a family also, and everyone works so hard to provide a great show. So,
More fun.
and it's a lot more fun.
Okay.
Well, it's fun on ASAP 2012 bilang every Sunday, marami po kayong makikita mga nagaganda at nagagapuhan katulad nitong mga tao ito. Pakita mo kung sino siya.
Parang
Yan.
parang ito sobrang ganda talaga.
Okay. So ngayon, kailangan nyo abangan yan every Sunday at kailangan wala kayong ma-miss. Kapag may na-miss kayo, hindi na fun. Okay?
It's more fun in ASAP 2012 because we look at each other not as co-workers but as family members. That's why it's more fun.
It's more fun in ASAP 2012 because of the
More fun in ASAP 2012 because of boys are fun.
Yeah.
Kasi marami mga artista at nabongga ang mga production numbers. More fun in ASAP.